Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to customize your homepage layout on your Samsung Internet browser. So right now you can see there are quick access and then the privacy section, and there is a news on my home screen. So in order to customize, what I can do is I can tap on this edit icon at the top, and which will open the edit quick access page. And here I can customize, like if I want to change the shortcut links, or if I want to enable or disable this privacy report, and also enable or disable the feeds or choose most visited pages. Now if I choose none and go back to the home screen, you would be able to see the privacy report section has been removed and also the news. So in this way you can customize your Samsung Internet home screen or start screen on your Android phone. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you. Cheers. Have a great day.